Chitwan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage jungle in the heart of Nepal, and the closest you'll get to raw, unscripted wildlife on this side of the Himalayas. The Jeep Safari takes you deep, and we mean deep, into territory where one-horned rhinos cross your path, marsh crocodiles bask on the banks, and if you're lucky, a Royal Bengal tiger disappears into the trees before you can breathe. Then swap the engine for silence. A canoe ride along the Rapti River at dawn. Just you, the water. Between safaris, step into a Taru village, one of Nepal's most fascinating indigenous communities. And when the sun goes down, the village comes alive. The Taru stick dance is one of the most electrifying cultural performances in all of Nepal. Best time to visit: October through February, for clear skies and prime wildlife sightings. Chitwan isn't a stopover. It's the experience people come back to Nepal for a second time just to relive.